Hello, good afternoon. My name is Lisviani Pardede, and I'm from class English Education 2017E from State University of Medan. So now I want to share you about the review of one journal. The title of the journal is A Proposal for Mapping the Methodology and How to Think Methodologically. So from this journal, there are three topics. There are 1. The definition of methodology, 2. The classification of methodology, and the third is how to think the methodologically. So for the first point, the definition of methodology. What is the definition of methodology? The definition of the methodology is an orderly, sequential, and systematical step-by-step process to reach out our purpose. So, research methodology means an orderly, sequential, and systematical step-by-step process to answer the research questions or research purposes. So, for the second point of this journal is the classification of methodology. Methodology can be classified into 3 categories. For the first category is conceptual methodology. Conceptual methodology is a methodology that focuses on how to plan and organize the research step by step, sequentially and systematically in order. For the second category is collectical methodology. Collectical methodology focuses on how to collect the data as inputs for the research. Collectical methodological can be classified into 1. How to collect primary data, and 2. How to collect the secondary data. There are 5 methods to collect the primary data. For the first, interview. For second, questionnaire. For third, focus group discussion. Fourth, case control. And 5, cohort. Next, there are 3 methods to collect the secondary data. They are reviewing the related literatures, then reviewing the related documents, and the third is reviewing the related regulations. So, for the third category is statistical methodology. Statistical methodology focuses on how to analyze the empirical data and interpret the result of the analysis to conclusion. Statistical methodology can be classified into 2 categories. The categories are 1. Descriptive statistics that used for describing population, and the second is inferential statistics that is used for testing and predicting. So now I want to share you about the review of the third points of this journal. The third point of this journal is how to think methodologically. So thinking methodologically means to thinking that is governed by sequential, systematical, and disciplined order. So thinking methodologically means thinking that is governed by sequential, systematical, and disciplined order. There are 3 thinking abilities that are needed in order to be able to think methodologically. Okay, for the first is thinking analytically. Thinking analytically means thinking by breaking down the elements of thinking. Instead of thinking analytically, we can use other nomenclatures such as first, thinking deductively, second, thinking divergently, third, thinking sequentially, and the fourth, thinking chronologically. For the first, thinking inductively, and for the second is thinking convergently. For the third thinking abilities is thinking systematically. Thinking systematically means thinking by breaking down the elements of thinking and recognize the cause and effect, then draw its correlation and causation. Instead of thinking systematically, we can use other nomenclatures such as first, thinking holistically, and the second is thinking comprehensively. So, this is the review of the journal with the title A Proposal for Mapping the Methodology and How to Think Methodologically. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and comment this video. Thank you. Good afternoon.